Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have two guns, but first don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. We have two guns and they're called X-Shot. And they have a lot of bullets and they're super strong.
Wow. So what kind of gun is this? This the first one? I think it's a Gatling gun.
Gatling gun and
Wow.
this is a rifle.
And this is a rifle. Wow.
Wow.
How many bullets does your Gatling gun have? I think it's 72 bullets? Yeah, by 72 or
72.
more. Wow.
How do you know? Oh, 72?
It has an air pocket technology. You also have a scope? Nice.
What?
Look at
There's
this.
no way.
Nice. So it will be like this. This will you will where you will put the bullets, like this, right? Nice. And
He's so happy.
this one is the long shot. Nice. It's a different bullet, huh? I think this is more powerful.
This is
Yes.
as well.
This is strong. Look at this.
This is. Oh.
Air technology also. Wow.
It has
Slam
a small
fire
bullet
action.
and
It
his-
has a slam fire action.
It has a small bullet
And
it
also
has a
the
big
skin
bullet.
design. Look, it's Pac-Man. Very unique. It's the game Pac-Man, right?
Yeah.
So it's very expensive. Wow.
So cool.
Nice. Would you like to open it now or later?
Now,
Now? Okay. Where's your scissor?
I'm ready. I'm ready for this.
Okay. Which one first? X-shot? Let's put this one down. Okay. Okay. I think from behind. Wow. Nice.
Start
Huh?
because
Yes, of course.
because start smaller first.
Okay.
This is I'm just gonna go
1 minute.
do this.
Then you pull it from this side. Ayan. Ayan. Then you pull this one up.
Wow.
Hawakan mo to. Oh, sige. Remove. Pull. Yan. Then, take this one out. The bullet. And this one.
The extra.
Yan. And then, you need to remove this one.
Use the extra.
See? Turn mo.
And then you need to turn
Yeah.
this one.
Like that. See, it will loosen up.
It's like a screw.
Yeah, remove it.
Wow.
Show them how to remove it like that.
So
Okay. You can take out the gun now already. Take mo na ang gun.
Wow.
Remove from...
Oh,
So, show them how.
it's
Pwesto ka na doon sa TV. Yan.
done.
Very nice.
Because when I destroy
Oh, where's
maybe he'll
the
destroy
magazine
my
is this
gun.
one?
Oh.
Hindi pa, ayusin muna natin. Oh, very strong, I told you.
Oh.
Try it one more time, how strong it is. So you need... Masira na, hindi pa ano, sira na. Do it.
So first you have to do this.
Put it back. What you gonna hit? The Lego, 1 minute. The Lego. This is your target. 1 minute.
Can I hold this one?
Yes, that's the 1 minute. Okay, aim.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's very strong, right?